Hi traders, and welcome to the daily recap show for Friday the 29th of October. This is a report for yesterday's session as I'm recording this on Saturday morning. So the FTSE we said had held below the 72.43 to 50 zone overnight, and we were now back into the chop zone, but we did have support at 71.80 to 90, and then we spoke about where the market could go if it broke these two areas, but we never broke those two areas. So let's go and have a look at the action from the FTSE. Right, so this is the market open here on this candle, and as you can see, we've got this really nice big impulsive push down into this 71.80-90 zone, and we've got a really nice reversal signal here, which then took us up. It didn't quite reach the 43 to 50 zone, but you certainly would have been out of the trade. You could have managed to trade around this zone, taken some more profits around this zone, and when it sort of failed here, when it got back there, I would have been booking profits for any runners that you had. The 43 to 50 zone never actually touched, and I think although this 33 to 38 zone did end up holding it all day, with us being overall bullish still, we still have an overall bullish bias in the FTSE market. Even though we're back into the chop zone, our bias is still on the bull side until we break that 42 to 52 zone. I wouldn't be looking for sales until we got into the higher time frame and more high probability resistance zone. So although it did hold, I don't think I would have been looking for a short from here. The trade of the day really was that one right on the open from that 71.80 to 90 zone that we spoke about in the morning report. And often you will find that the best trades of the day will actually come in that first sort of 30 minutes to 1 hour of trading. So we held that really key, that nice support zone, and then we just really chopped around for the rest of the day. So let's go and have a look at the DAX. So under DAX, we said we'd broken back below 600 to 620, and although it showed signs of weakness, the bullish bias will remain above 405 to 430. So if we could get back above the 600 to 620 zone, then we may see moves back higher up towards 705 to 720. So let's go and see what happened with the action today. Right, okay, so for the DAX today, so we did actually get a really nice impulsive move up through that 600 area that we spoke about. We then held the higher time frame, the higher zone as resistance before breaking back below the 600 area. We then spent most of the morning session, or all of the rest of the morning session and the lunchtime session below there, held it a little bit as resistance here, and then when we did finally break through again in the afternoon, we then did see the higher pricing up to this 705 to 20 area that we said in the report just after the market closed. So a little bit of not quite so clean action on the DAX today. It broke through that 600 area first thing, but it didn't hold it on the retest in the morning session. And then showed more signs of weakness before finally doing what we expected in the afternoon session. So not quite so clean today, and there was a reversal signal here on the DAX, but again above 600 we were bullish, and we were expecting higher pricing, so not a trade that I would look to have taken. And actually, if anything, I would have been looking to get long on this retest here of the 600 zone. Although there was no actual signal there for me to get long, that is something that I would have been looking for, because above there I was expecting higher pricing. But it didn't happen, and we broke back below, and then the afternoon session was when we actually got that break above, which was sustained and held, and then moved on up to that resistance zone. So I hope you found this useful, guys, and I will speak to you again tomorrow. Cheers. On Monday. Thanks, guys.